I want you to see that when you're looking right here and your solder joint comes in, let's pick this one right here. Your solder joint comes in and it makes a T, just like that. Well, y'all, when you solder that joint, your solder, okay, should look, if it's a Y, then your solder joint should look like a Y, and it should flow. You want that Y look. So we're going to take this one right here. This is a T. I've got my wattage controller, and this is my little iron here. So we're going to take this. You can hear our flux. So what we want to do, now that my iron is a little bit hot, so we're going to cool it down a little bit. And we're going to come back. And I like to do what I call a touch and go. So if I get the temperature right on my iron here, what we want it to do. So we want to go 1, 2, straight up. 1, 2, straight up. So you want that solder joint to look like a V, because that's what it is. 1, 2, pick straight up. Touch and go, everybody. 1, 2. Now you have all these joints that come together, so you need your iron hot, and you want to make sure touch and go. Touch and go.